Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best camping chairs available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At rank 5, we have the Yahech set of 2 outdoor beach camping chairs. This package includes 2 folding chairs, making it ideal for couples or families heading out for a day at the beach or camping. These chairs come with a robust iron frame that promises durability and stability, even on uneven terrain. The vibrant blue color adds a refreshing aesthetic, perfect for outdoor settings. In terms of design, these chairs feature comfortable armrests, a wide seat, and a straightforward foldable mechanism. While the build quality feels solid overall, the chairs are slightly heavier than single-use options, which may be a consideration for portability. However, the iron frame ensures these chairs can withstand regular use, making them a reliable choice for backyard gatherings, poolside lounging, or camping trips. The value proposition is decent, especially since you're getting 2 chairs in the package. However, at $79.99, they lean toward the pricier side compared to other options on this list. These chairs are best suited for users who prioritize durability and comfort over ultra-lightweight portability. Pros include a sturdy frame and the convenience of a 2-pack. Cons include slightly heavier weight and less portability compared to other single chairs on this list. Ranked at number 4 is the Amazon Basics camping chair. This is a budget-friendly option for anyone looking for a simple, no-frills camping chair that gets the job done. The chair comes equipped with a built-in cup holder and a storage pocket, which are great features for keeping your drink and small essentials within reach during your outdoor adventures. Its design is straightforward, offering a comfortable seating experience with a lightly padded seat and backrest. The chair's frame is made from sturdy steel, and the fabric is durable enough to handle moderate outdoor use. Weighing just under 8 pounds, it's fairly easy to carry around, thanks to the included carry bag. However, it might not be the best option for long-term sitting, as the cushioning is limited compared to premium models. Priced at $29.99, this chair is an excellent choice for casual campers or those on a tight budget. It's not the most durable or feature-packed chair on this list, but it provides solid value for the price. Pros include affordability, lightweight design, and useful storage options. Cons include limited comfort and durability for extended use or challenging environments. Coming in at number 2 is the Campsky 2-pack portable camping chairs. This set offers excellent value for money, especially for those who need multiple chairs for outdoor activities. Each chair features a reinforced steel frame with an X-structure design, supporting up to 400 pounds, which is impressive for chairs in this price range. The seat is made from 600D rip-resistant Oxford fabric, ensuring it can withstand tough outdoor conditions. These chairs are incredibly lightweight, weighing just 4.4 pounds each, and they fold down compactly for easy storage and transport. The included carry bags make them ideal for hiking, fishing, or camping trips. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.